In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap in Jira. Now, roadmaps are a great way to visualize your project plan and track progress over time. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process with clarity so you can get your roadmap up and running in no time. Firstly, head over to your Jira dashboard. You'll want to access the URL that you use to manage your projects in Jira. This is your home base for navigating to the various project components we'll need. Once you're in Jira, locate the section on the right side of your screen labeled Spaces or Project. Clicking on this section will display the options available for managing your project spaces. These are important because they hold all the detailed planning and issue tracking you've been working on. Next, look for and click on the project that you're interested in building a roadmap for. This action will take you to the more specific page associated with your project management needs. Now that you're in your selected project, we need to find the Timeline tab. Clicking on the timeline allows you to create and manage your project roadmap effectively. This is the area where you'll organize and visualize your epics and tasks over a period. Once on the timeline, look for the option Create Epic. Clicking on Create Epic will initiate the process of adding new substantial tasks or projects that you want to track. This helps in breaking down your project into more manageable parts. When prompted, type in the task details in the field marked What Needs to be Done. This section is crucial as it clearly outlines the tasks or goals associated with each epic, ensuring your roadmap remains clear and actionable. Next, you might want to set specific dates for your epic. By clicking on the More Actions menu, often represented by 3 dots, you can access more options. Locate and select Edit Dates from the drop-down to assign start and due dates to your task. This feature is key for tracking timelines effectively and keeping your team aligned. Choose a start date first, ensuring it aligns with your project plans. Follow this up by selecting a suitable due date. Accurate dates help manage expectations and maintain a steady project pace. Once you've entered these date details, it's time to confirm your selections. Click on Confirm to save the changes you've made to your epic's timeline. Additionally, Jira allows for an intuitive adjustment of these timelines by simply dragging dates to modify the schedule, which is particularly useful if there are any changes to project timelines. Last but certainly not least, customize your timeline view based on your needs. Choose between views like today, weeks, months, or even quarters for a more tailored view. And there you have it. You've successfully created a roadmap in Jira.